Hey marketers, are you ready to take your online business to the next level? Today, I'm going to let you in on a little secret that could skyrocket your online success: sales funnels. Yes, you heard that right. Sales funnels are the backbone of any successful online marketing strategy. Now, I know what you're thinking: why should I care about a sales funnel? Well, imagine it as your trusty roadmap, guiding potential customers from the moment they first stumble upon your product to when they finally smash that buy button. It's like having a GPS for your business, ensuring you never lose a potential customer along the way. A sales funnel breaks down the customer journey into manageable stages, making it a breeze to see where folks are dropping off and what you can do to keep them hooked. It's all about understanding your customers' behavior and optimizing each step to maximize conversions. At the top of the funnel, you've got the awareness stage. This is where those curious souls are just starting to discover what you offer. Maybe they've seen an ad or stumbled upon a blog post. They're just getting to know you, and it's your job to make a great first impression. Next up is the interest stage. Here, they're digging deeper, checking out your website, scrolling through your social media, maybe even signing up for your newsletter. They're intrigued but not quite sold yet. This is your chance to provide valuable content and build trust. Then comes the decision stage. This is the critical stage where they weigh their options. They're comparing you to your competitors, reading reviews, and deciding if you're the right fit. It's crucial to highlight your unique selling points and show them why you're the best choice. Finally, we reach the bottom of the funnel, the action stage. This is where all your hard work pays off. They decide to make a purchase, and you've got yourself a new customer. But hold on, it doesn't end there. The journey continues. A sales funnel isn't just about making a sale, it's also about nurturing relationships afterwards so that customers keep coming back for more. Post-purchase engagement is key to building loyalty and turning one-time buyers into repeat customers. So if you're not already using a sales funnel in your strategy, it's definitely time to hop on board. Start by mapping out your customer journey and identifying key touch points where you can engage and convert. Don't wait, start building your sales funnel today and watch your revenue flow in. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. It's all about taking that first step and committing to the process. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Click the link below to access exclusive trials of the leading sales funnel builders. Experience firsthand how these powerful tools can transform your sales strategy and drive success. These tools are designed to make the process seamless and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, happy funneling.